Welcome to Digital Skillwork Studio, where digital skills come to life. My goal is to guide you through clear, beginner-friendly lessons that make learning digital tools simple, enjoyable, and stress-free. This series will introduce you to Canva. In this video, you will learn what Canva is and why so many people use it. If you're new to design, Canva is a simple and friendly place to start. Canva is an online design tool. You use it to create graphics, videos, and digital products. It works in your web browser, so there is nothing to install. There is also a mobile app if you prefer to design on your phone or tablet. Canva is made for beginners. You do not need design experience. You do not need expensive software. Everything is drag and drop. With Canva, you can create many types of designs, from social media posts and presentations to videos, websites, and print products. This toolbar shows just a few examples of what's possible when you start a new project. Once you've chosen what to design, Canva's tools make it easy to bring your ideas to life. You can add text, images, shapes, and brand elements, or explore thousands of ready-made templates for quick inspiration. Whether you're creating social posts, presentations, or printable products, Canva gives you everything you need to design confidently. Canva is popular for three main reasons. First, it is easy to use. You can move text, change colors, and replace images with simple clicks. Second, Canva includes a large library of photos, graphics, icons, and fonts. You do not need to search the internet for assets. Everything is built in. Third, Canva has a free plan. You can design, download, and share your work without paying anything. Canva is used by many different people: small business owners, teachers and students, content creators, Etsy sellers, and anyone who wants to make something look clean and professional. Canva works for fun projects and for business projects. It is flexible and beginner-friendly. In the next video, you will learn how to create your free Canva account. You'll see how to sign up, log in, and reach your dashboard. Once your account is ready, you'll be able to start exploring Canva's tools and begin your first design. Thank you for watching this first lesson. If you want to continue learning Canva step by step, follow along with the next video in this series. If you found this video helpful, remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you don't miss the next lesson.